Dranzer, ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa, who will win on this one? It's a spin finish winning. Who will win? Who will win? Oh, is that a tie? It's a tie. Yeah. So no one won in that round. So let's have another round for them. So again, Dragoon and then your Dranzer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Woo! Oh, that's for Dranzer. Some win for Dranzer. Yeah, and that's a nice battle. So they became strong in spinning because we are using the original ones. So the original Lancer and original Ripcords. Yeah, if you use the fake ones, then we will not see those kind of moves with this Beyblade. So that's a score for our Dranzer. 1 point for Dranzer. Am I right? Yeah, let's go. Third round and last round ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, that's a win for our Dragoon. And is it a tie now? Yeah, so last round. So, it will be the first time we will have 4 rounds. Okay, so that we can determine who will win on this battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Ooh, who will win on this round, man? Contact. I think Dranzer has more stamina than your Dragoon, and yeah, that's right. So Dranzer win for this battle. So yeah, it's a loss for Dragoon. And yeah, that's our battle for this video. And next we'll have a battle with other they're the same. They will just still fight with each other, but still we'll focus on one Beyblade next time. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you see the performance of these Beyblades. So next time we'll have a battle for Brazil for all of these Beyblade Back and Shoot Plastic Gen versions. But yeah, they're in Beyblade X versions, but it's a bootleg. Okay, so for now guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. That's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gambler Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Bye.